Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about equation for the circles. So for the formula for equation of the circle is x minus, so let's write this in this color, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals radius squared. Now, h and k are the centers. So center is h comma k. So here we have this example here, and I'll talk more about these, in the examples. So we see that we have r, which is our radius. That's important to remember. Radius. And then let's go to the example. Let's jump right in. So we have the prompt saying, write the equation for this circle. So let's start off by finding the center. Our center is the middle of the circle, which is right here, and that is at -1, 1. So my center is -1, 1. Next, we have to find the radius. So my radius is how far away is the outer edge from the center in a straight line. So I'm going to use a different color actually for the radius. So let's say radius. So I'm just going to count from the radius. So 1, 2. So we're 2 away from the radius. And then that's all I need to write my equation for this circle. So start off with the formula x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So going back to my center, I'm going to label this h and this k, and then this is r. So let's continue on. So we have x minus -1 squared plus y minus 1 squared equals 2 squared. Simplify this. 1 and negative, like minus times a minus is plus. So x plus 1 squared plus y minus 1 squared equals 4. And that is the equation. This is the equation for this circle. So this right here. Okay, let's move on to our next example. Here, instead of, asking us to find the equation, they're giving us the equation of the circle, and we're asked to draw or graph the circle. So we always have to start with the center. The center is, well, we have -2, right? So again, write the formula first. So x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. The center, we know that it's so since this is negative, this has to be negative. So we know that h truly is a positive number. Here, it's the opposite for y. We see that it's supposed to be negative, but we see a positive. Remember in our previous example, our h was negative, so we ended up getting it positive. So that means you're always going to have the opposite sign when you have the center. So this is going to be -3. So our center is 2, -3. So I'm going to go plot that. So 2, 1, 2, 3. We're at 2, -3. Next, we have our radius. Our radius is squared. So we know that r squared equals 9. Take the square root of both, and I get r equals 3. So I go 3 in 4 directions. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 right here. And then 1, 2, 3. And then finally 1, 2, 3. And all I have to do now is connect this by drawing. So just, I know it's not perfect, but, oh, yeah. So let's try again. Okay, and then you can just, drag if you can. And then, okay, and then that's good. So this is your circle for this equation right here. And that is the circle equation. And, you can either graph it or you can derive the equation from the circle on the graph.